Want to know how to archive your mail in Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first is simply open up your Shortwave application over the website. So we have also created similar videos regarding Shortwave, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. Now, you should be under this interface by default, and now archiving your mail is super simple. So there is no direct archive feature in Shortwave, but what they have is done. So you can just simply select any mail that you like, and archiving is like selecting done. So on the top right side, you should be seeing this done icon right here with the tick icon. You can just simply select that, and it should be archived or marked as done, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So you can also select multiple one of these as well as mark it as done by selecting right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.